So we are at the ISS, and I was at the Ibuki satellite, and I got booted. So what I'm going to do is, I brought you here for a reason, to go ahead and look at this and, check it out and see what looks natural and doesn't. But I gotta tell you, I watched a video on Stranger Than Fiction, and apparently we're going to end up in Asgardia. Now let me fill you in on this. I watched a ceremony, and this was yesterday, and three heads of Asgardia were inaugurated. I was watching the inauguration, and guess who showed up by satellite from the ISS, from right here where we're watching? Oleg Artemyev. He's a cosmonaut, and he made an appearance from there, and the ceremony took place in Hofburg, Vienna, and 3 positions were filled. It was the inauguration of the first head of the space kingdom of Asgardia, and then 2 other people. And they're the 3 that are the heads, the rulers, whatever you want to call it. And it's a space kingdom. And the head of it is Dr. Igor Azurby, or Azurbale. And it was a historic global event, And so Oleg says, for us space travelers from all parts of the world, Asgardia is a futuristic vision of the future of humankind. Asgardia Habitat Arch will have artificial gravity, and it's necessary in space in their development technologies to make humans' life in space more comfortable. Asgardia is a supranational space station open to all people on Earth, one humanity, one unity. So, and this was in Hofburg, Vienna. And if you go to Stranger Than Fiction channel, you'll see the actual ceremony. So, in case, obviously like myself, we all missed the memo, we're going to Asgardia. Or a select few, who knows who's going. But at this ceremony, there was a couple hundred people, you'll see. And a very disturbing video. I mean, this was really played to the hilt, and I don't know where this is coming from, but I just wanted to share it with you. And it's called Asgardia Rising. And you will see Oleg on there doing his little spin. I think there's something behind his suit. I don't really think it's him. Yeah, I mean, he's not in weightlessness. Yeah, The Truth is Stranger Than Fiction. That's what it was on. So, make sure to see that. It was yesterday. It's bizarre. So, with that, I'm going to close this video out. And I just needed to have a reason to go somewhere to tell you about it. So, there's some information on Asgardia. So, one humanity, one unity. What do you think of those apples? Oh my goodness. This is outrageously crazy. But check it out for yourself. I'm going nowhere. Not with these people. I'm sure you have to be marked or chipped or who knows. This is totally from the other side, I'm sure. So, I'll see you on the flip side.